Quick update on my E70 X5M. It's a 2011 with roughly about 90,000 miles on it. It's tuned, it has catalyst downpipes. There was a bit of smoke. It was smoking slightly on idle. So I just got the turbos rebuilt, and I also installed these catch cans. With that, I also went ahead and replaced the upper control arms, roll control arms. The thrust arm. I also updated the springs to Dynon, and I've also replaced a couple of bits and pieces here at the rear suspension. Still in the process of about getting that done. It's been on jack stands for almost about 4 months now. So I'll be probably starting it up hopefully this weekend, just waiting up on a few more parts. Once they're in, this should be good to go. Also, I think a couple of months ago I replaced the valve cover gaskets. Quite a job to remove all the stuff from it. I'm not sure if I'm able to throw in pictures in this video, but pretty much this is all the suspension related stuff that I replaced. There's a bunch of things in there. If I show you from underneath, I'm still waiting on a few bolts that were stripped, so I can put this rear control arm back. The other side is pretty much wrapped up, so I can show a picture of this side. This is what it looks like. For the front, I had to pretty much replace the bunch of gaskets, turbo oil return lines, the cover, and I replaced the water pump thermostat. That was a while ago though, but this is where it stands. Hopefully I'll be starting it up in a day or two. I'll try to capture that too. Thank you.